G'day, Nathan from ACA here again. Got cut off last session, but just looking at the multi-levels in one file approach that I take and just giving you a full explanation of how that works and what I do, and just some good all-round tips for greater productivity. We talked about using fields, custom created fields from your drawing property menu that you add in there. So you start your drawing, you go in and edit all these, and all your sheets from your template would automatically be filled out. If it's a typical drawing like mine is, you would always have a ground floor plan, second floor plan, elevations, details, all these things. You know, you'd run a series of standard sheets. So you do that and instantly all your title blocks are all filled out, and you would only need to edit if something's a little bit different. If it was a single story for a house, for example, you might have a single story template, or you could delete that and renumber the couple that need to be renumbered. I tend to grab similar projects. So if it was a single story house, I'd grab a single story project and they'd be set up. Just a quick word about your cover page. Often I'll have a pretty picture on here because I render a lot. I don't on this particular drawing, but again, the great thing about using the fields, you can see here I've used a different font to get some sort of cool thing going on the front cover, and you can use any font. So here you can see it's a series of different fields. There's that house number, then there's the lot number here, that's just simply text, then there's the street number here, and so if we have a look, edit field, well, there's the house number. If we edit field here, that's the lot number, edit field. So we can grab different parts and actually make it look like it's just simple text. That background indicates a field, but it doesn't actually print, it's not actually seen. And so then you can have a pretty front page using different fonts. You can use whatever fancy fonts, whatever arrangement you want of your data, and it'll all just display. The best thing about it is, because I'm using fields that are populated from here, is that the first thing you do is open your drawing, do that, and your cover page is already filled out and ready to go. I'd love to be able to have this. This is all manually. It's a bit of M-text at the moment. I'd love that to go and grab the sheet list. Wouldn't that be great? I think it is possible if I got clever with Lisp, but I'm not that clever. Maybe one day in the future. That's just some tips about using your sheets. The benefit of using the sheets comes also down to plotting, where, for example, what I do is my standard sheet, if you're not using page setups, there's some really good tutorials online. I've actually got some links on my website to using page setups. Got to use them, big productivity. Standardize your sheets. I see here that it's a little bit old. I would actually use that one. Let's go back. So I can use the sheet set. I have them all set up to do PDFs. You might use DWFs. PDFs are pretty well standard, aren't they, for a lot of people? So I have a whole setup ready to do PDFs. So if I wanted to print a sheet, I just could set plot. I know predictably what it's going to do. However, I can also select a whole series of sheets, the whole set of sheets, right click and select. Notice the plot option is gone, but I can do publish sheets. It will come up with my standard cute PDF. What I can do is I can change that to Konica, or I can import one. So I would have my 2 or 3 standard setups set here, and if anybody can tell me why this doesn't do it all at once, I'd love to know. There you go, did it all once. Don't know what the difference was. But then I can publish and set a sheet of drawings to the printer, to the hard copy, click cancel here. No, might want to or not. But what it does is, if I go back to a sheet now and plot, it's back to my PDF again. And that's one of the benefits of publishing, as opposed to just simply plotting. Don't be picking windows. Don't be picking windows anymore. use your page setups and have your sheet sets very predictable. Okay, just back in model space, one thing that I thought of course, never used it before, but if you're wanting these tabs to display and you can't find the right click option down here, on your display menu, you've got a tick box there for display layout and model tabs, and that will display your tabs, and you can start to get some productivity increase out of using them. If that's productivity increase over using the latest idea of what are they called, sheet sets. Yeah.